epic. No other word for it. Like,
Yeah.
gonna remember this for forever.
It's been incredible.
Yeah. With the orangutans, like, it was just something else. They're as interested in us as we are in them, you know?
The sunbears were
They're just
amazing.
Yeah.
They're adorable.
The trek through the rainforest was incredible. It was just once in a lifetime.
Just being here in general, like being surrounded by it, because we're so close, you can hear the noises from like the orangutans like, over there as well, which is just really special. It's been wonderful, and we'll be back definitely for sure.
Bringing the family.
Bring the family.
Yeah.